Hey everyone, welcome back. Opening the Flex app and getting a completely white or black screen that never loads. This is one of the most reported Flex bugs. Here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store. First, swipe up and force close the Flex app completely from your recent apps. This is actually step 1 from Flex's own troubleshooting guide. Now, press and hold on the app icon, then tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete app to completely uninstall it. Next, open the App Store, search Flex Rent on your schedule, and tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. A white or a black screen on launch is almost always caused by a corrupted launch gauge from a previous update, and a clean reinstall clears it instantly. After reinstalling, go to your settings, then go to General. Next, scroll down to Software Update and confirm your iPhone is running the latest iOS since Flex has reported more compatibility issues on outdated versions. So, all you've gotta do is force close, delete and reinstall from App Store, update your iOS, the white screen is gone, and that's it. Flex will load normally again. Subscribe for more Flex app fixes.